Good day, learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today, you are going to learn about conductors of heat and electricity. Have you wondered how electricity were delivered from electric power plants to our homes? What do you think is inside an electric wire that makes electric current flows? So before we start, we need first to unlock some words. Ductility. It is the physical property of a material associated with the ability to be hammered thin or stretched into wire without breaking. Then we have heat. Heat is a form of energy. Heat flows from hot objects to cold objects. It flows from one object to another because of the difference in temperature. The cold object absorbs the energy and becomes warmer. Last is electricity. It is the flow of tiny particles called electrons and protons. It can also mean the energy you get when electrons flow from place to place. Observe carefully the pot with water placed on fire. What do you think will happen? Water puts out fire by absorbing heat energy and lowering the temperature enough that fire can't burn anymore. In this case, however, the water is at its boiling point, which means that the temperature will stay at 100 degrees centigrade until all the water has boiled. In other words, the water will continue to absorb heat energy from the fire until it has all boiled off. This picture shows how electricity flows. The moment you plug into the socket, electricity will flow from the electric wire. And when you turn the switch on, the electricity will flow right through the electric bulb, which may cause the bulb to light. So what are conductors and insulators? Conductors are materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through easily. Copper wires are widely used for electrical wiring because they are ductile and are good conductors of electricity. Iron, gold, silver, brass, steel, nickel, and water are also conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Copper and aluminum are metals. Stainless steel is an iron-based metal with chromium. Cooking pots and pans made of metals make cooking faster because they quickly allow heat transfer from the flame to the food being cooked. Not all materials are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are called insulators. They are materials that does not allow heat and electricity to pass through easily. Materials that are made of plastic, silk, leather, glass, oil, and rubber are insulators. Take a look at this example. There are two figures. In each figure, there is an electric circuit. Using the circuit, we'll be able to identify whether an object is a conductor or an insulator of electricity. On the first figure, a fine ceramic is being attached. When you switch on the circuit, you can observe that the bulb did not light. Therefore, a fine ceramic is an insulator. It does not allow electricity to pass through easily. While in the last figure, metal is being attached. The bulb glowed when the switch is being on. So, metal is a conductor. It allows electricity to pass through easily. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you learned something from the discussion. Kita-kits in the next lessons. Until next time, goodbye.